Not perfect, but
What's the inspiration behind the red and white? What made you choose the color scheme? And
so my grandfather started the company in 1946, and his first truck was red, and it was a bright red truck. And he got signed on with like Fabergé, Brute deodorant, Aquanet hairspray back in the day, and like it was that every 4 years they had to paint their trucks to match the company. So he never owned another red truck his entire life. So when my dad took over the company in 1980, and they renamed it K&D for Karen and Dwight, my parents, everything went pretty much silver and blue. So when I got back into it, I said, we're going to do everything with a red frame to pay tribute. So this whole truck was built red with the white and the chrome that my grandpa, it's all for him.